In technical drawings, the view of an object is called a projection. A projection is made by extending lines of sight, known as projectors, from the observer's eye, through the edges and points of an object to a flat surface, called the projection plane. This process creates the kind of view shown in image 1 of 1. This type of projection is called central projection because the projectors meet at a single point, the observer's eye. The size of the projected view can change a lot, depending on where the object and the projection plane are positioned. It also depends on how far the observer is from the object and the plane. Because of these variations, central projection isn't used very often in technical drawings. If the observer is far enough away from both the object and the projection plane, the projectors won't meet at a point anymore. Instead, they'll run parallel to each other. This method is called parallel projection, and it's the one most commonly used in technical drawings because it's simpler. As shown in image 1.3, view B, when the projectors are at right angles to the projection plane, the parallel projection will keep the object's true size. This stays the same no matter where the object and the projection plane are or how far the observer is. An orthographic projection is a type of parallel projection where the projectors are at right angles, perpendicular, to the projection plane, as shown in image 1.2. An oblique projection is different because the projectors hit the projection plane at an angle other than 90 degrees. Image 1.3 shows the same object using both orthographic and oblique projections. In the example, the block's front surface, facing the projection plane, is placed parallel to it. In the orthographic projection, only the front surface of the block is visible, showing just two dimensions, length and width. The oblique projection, however, shows both the front surface and the top surface of the block. This means it includes all three dimensions, length, width, and height. Because of this, oblique projection is one way to show all three dimensions of an object in a single view. Another method is called axonometric projection. The full tutorial for this and many other how-to courses and tutorials can be found at draftinghowto.com. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. The link for draftinghowto.com is in the description box below.